Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox the Nokia One Android Go smartphone. The packaging is fairly simple, cardboard box with a bright coloured Nokia logo of a child holding a man's finger, and Nokia One on Android. On the side we'll see some specifications such as the 4.5-inch FWVGA screen, the 1GB of RAM, 8GB of storage. You can expand it with up to 128GB of MicroSD card, a 5-megapixel rear camera with an LED flash, and exchangeable covers. This is Xpress On covers, similar to the ones of the Nokia of old. On the side we'll see the Nokia One script embossed on the box, and on the sides it's got a little Android logo saying pure, up-to-date, secure, always with Nokia. And on the back, a picture of the red Nokia One we're just about to unbox. So, packaging is fairly simple to see. It's got a bit of a cardboard latch there, and a bit of tape on the side. Let me undo this tape. No professional YouTube unboxing here with a funky knife. This is 100% nail work. There we go. So I pull it open and there we have the Nokia One in the box covered in cellophane. Let's see what it looks like. So obviously you'll have the handset in cellophane. We'll look at that in a moment. What else is in the box? Nokia One Getting Started Guide, I'm sure I will, or probably won't read. Nokia One Product and Safety Info. Shouldn't be necessary, it's not a Samsung Galaxy Note 7. This is a set of 3.5mm earphones, which means the device has a courage port or a 3.5mm audio jack. Nokia Travel Adapter, which is quite handy. It has a UK plug which is extendable, so it's very handy for travel. And this is a 5V 1A charger, so it won't work with most modern smartphones. This is for low power devices. There's also a MicroUSB cable. This is for charging the device. But more interestingly, let's have a look in here. There is a battery. The Nokia One has a removable battery, which is a 2100 mAh battery. The model number is BV5V, I believe. So let's have a look at the phone. Take it out of its plastic casing. It's got a nice matte finish to it. You can see where the speaker is, the camera with flash. It's a 5-megapixel camera. Don't get too excited about it. I have a feeling that at the price point of £59, that's close to $79 or $69 at retail, it won't be too good. Whoops, so that's the Xpress On cover on. We'll put the battery pack in. Before we do that though, let's put a SIM card in just to make sure it's working, and the MicroSD card obviously slots in just above the SIM there. Let's do that quickly. I'm going to put a 64GB memory card in. The 8 gigs built in might not be enough for much media. So there we go. And I've put the case on. The Nokia One powered by Android Go edition. Tech Travel Geeks will be doing a full review of this in the coming weeks. That's the Nokia One switching on. Thanks for watching everyone, and expect the full review on Tech Travel Geeks soon. Remember to subscribe.